All right, so our chicken wings. We got these from grocery store food line. We got 14 of them. I'm gonna split the pans up into 2 pans of 7. On this side, I'm gonna do Nashville Hot. On this side right here, we're gonna do Nashville Hot, spicy chili pepper. It'll be really good. So the first rub we're gonna put on here is gonna be Heath Riles competition blend. This really good deep flavor to it. A bunch of competition guys are using this for a reason, to win. Then I'll come back on top of that with some Heath Riles honey rub. This be a good sweetness to go with our spicy sauce we got. I do the back side, so this will be my finished side. So I do this last. So I always do the season the back side first. Back across up, competition blend. So I'm cooking these chicken wings today on the Weber kettle grill using royal charcoal. I'm gonna have my grill set up for hot side and cool side. That way when I get one side cooking, I move to the other side and slow it down a little bit. If I want to get my initial charcoal flavor from it, from the hot side, then I move it to the cool side and let it continue cooking. So let's get it on the grill, let's get started. We're doing Nashville Hot, spicy chili pepper. We got Nashville Hot. Boy, that was fun, wasn't it? Man, I love chicken wings. They cooking them on a Weber kettle grill with royal charcoal. You can't beat that. I'm really excited to see how these flavors of Nashville Hot with Heath Riles rubs, how just everything just pops. So let's start tasting it. You ready? I know I'm ready. All right, so these Nashville Hot, these are spicy chili. Let's do the traditional Nashville Hot first. Pour this one right here. I like cooking mine together. Some people want drumsticks, some people want flats, but this way they get both. So let's taste them. Taste a flat to start with. Let's taste it. Boy, that's good. Boy, that's really good. Taste these. Perfect. Let's try Nashville Hot Spicy Chili. Again, I'll pull it right apart. Work good. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. Get that spicy chili, that little smoke flavor to it. That's good. Let's try the drum. More heat there. That's good. Yeah, I'm a fan of this one. Yeah, I'll do the spicy chili. Got a little more spicy bite to it. That sweet rub of the honey. There's a home run right there, boys and girls. You cook a drumstick and it's juicy like this, flats will always be juicy. When you cook a drumstick juicy, you've done something right. When you're doing wings, you pull them at 180 degrees. You can probe right here. You can get right there next to the bone. When you do that, you get perfect wings every time. I promise you that. Ready for this? Come on. Die like it. Die like it. I know you would too. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll say the blessings. Lord, bless food by receipt. Just name perfect. Amen. Appreciate y'all watching. Hey, do me a favor. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you like these series, check out this playlist right here, the appetizer playlist. Got some great videos coming out with those. Appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.